Hello, everyone. Once again, this is Black Forest coming to you with another market analysis currency breakdown. We're going to be looking at the NZDUSD, also known as the Kiwi USD. Okay. Before we get started to break down this chart and this Forex pair, we have to state that this video is for educational purposes only. This is not financial advice, but we all know why you guys are here. You guys are here to find good, credible Forex content that can improve your ability as a trader and that can actually put some extra money in your pocket throughout these troubling times. Okay, so with that being said, let's dive into this Forex grid before we dive into the chart. Because always remember, fundamentals come first, technical analysis comes last. Wink a wink. Okay, so prior to making this video around 6 o'clock, around 6:45 p.m. Eastern time, as we're in the beginning of the Asian session, we had some news come out about the NZD, which basically says there's no change from what they predicted it was going to be and what they said it was going to be previously. So if there's no change in that, we're only going to have to go off the strength that it was previously, which is still weak and coming into the mid part of our trading week as the remaining one of our weaker currencies. And this is solely due to the inflation that is gripping the entire New Zealand economy. They spent all their interventions that they could to combat inflation at the beginning of the year. So now they've ran out of economic interventions to combat inflation. So it's like the inflation just has to run its course. Okay. So until we can get started to see the government actually take some more aggressive stance towards combating inflation, we're going to continue to see a weakening of the NZD. Okay. Now the USD is coming into the mid part of our trading week still as one of our stronger currencies. However, it is starting to lose some trajectory on the strength that it is gaining, and this is solely due to the rise in oil prices and also due to the fact that we have more negative news than positive news coming out about the USD. So the USD strength is starting to actually slow down and to stagnate, which means it makes it prime for retracement of all the USD charts. So which the USD has been performing as the stronger currency. So now with that being said, we're going to dive in. Okay. So as you guys can see, we've hit a 2-year low with the NZD USD, and retracement's all going to be about how strong the NZD can become. Okay, if we start to see it picking up in the strength of the NZD, we can start to see retracement get aggressive because if for anything, we know we're going to retrace at least up to this area here. But if the retracement starts to become much more aggressive, we can easily get to this area here before we start to range back out and go down. But for the most part, we're going to be going here. So any buying that you do, please keep in mind is going to be from the short to intermediary because the buying is only going to be retracement because price turnover does not look too likely based off the fundamentals as they present now. So we're going to be seeing more retracement, probably more intermediate to less to somewhat aggressive retracement to full blown aggressive retracement, which means that our target area for our buying is going to be an ending about right here before we start to continue to range out and go back into the long term position. Okay, so how far can we get? We can get as far as here, here, or here if we do become much more aggressive with the retracement, and then we'll range out and go into the fundamental and go to the fundamental long-term short position. Okay, remember any buying that you're going to be doing here is only going to be for the short to intermediate term. Okay. If you guys enjoy our content, we ask you that you please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Subscribing to our YouTube channel will allow you to get notifications and updates every time we drop new Forex content in video, market analysis videos. Also, we ask that you please like and share our videos. Liking and share our videos will allow us to have videos we could push further out there in the YouTube so we can be able to continue to grow our community of profitable traders because we would like to grow a community of profitable traders. Okay. Also, last but not least, please reach out to us and let us know what charts and markets do you do want broken down. Okay. We'll break anything down from stocks to cryptos to other Forex pairs, to metals, to futures, to oil, anything that you guys want, please let us know and we will break it down for you. Okay. You can reach out to us one of three ways. One way is by commenting on any of the videos that you watch, or you can reach out to us through our various social medias and our email. The links to our various social medias and our email is in the description of every video that we post. Okay. Please reach out to us and let us know what charts that you guys do want broken down so we know how to best accommodate you. Okay. With that being said, happy trading.